Hello everyone. Today, we'll walk through the process of installing phpMyAdmin in Laragon, a powerful and easy-to-use local development environment for web developers. phpMyAdmin is a popular web-based database management tool for MySQL and MariaDB databases. Let's get started. Step 1. Download phpMyAdmin. Firstly, you need to download the latest version of phpMyAdmin. Open your browser and go to the official phpMyAdmin website at www.phpMyAdmin.net and click on the Download tab. Choose the latest stable version and save the zip file to your computer. Step 2. Extract phpMyAdmin. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the zip file. Right-click on the file and select Extract All to unzip the contents. You should now have a folder with the phpMyAdmin files. Step 3. Rename phpMyAdmin folder. For simplicity, let's rename the phpMyAdmin folder to something easy to remember. Right-click on the folder, select Rename, and choose a name that makes sense to you, such as PMA or phpMyAdmin. Now copy the folder. Step 4. Move phpMyAdmin to Laragon. Open Laragon and click on Root on right bottom of the interface. Go back to Laragon folder, which contains different file. Now click on etc, again click on Apps. Finally, paste the copied folder here. This step ensures that phpMyAdmin is accessible through your local server. Step 5. Access phpMyAdmin in your browser. To apply the changes, restart Laragon. Click on the Stop button and again click on Start All to restart the Apache and MySQL services. Now, click on Web, and it will open in a browser. After that type phpMyAdmin after localhost. Now you should see the phpMyAdmin login screen. Enter your MySQL username and password to log in. Here the default username is root and password is null. Congratulations! You've successfully installed phpMyAdmin in Laragon. Now you can easily manage your databases through this user-friendly interface. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask for help. Happy coding!